Who is Kim Jong-un? Let's know. Kim Jong-un is the supreme leader of North Korea, officially known as the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. Born in 1984, he is the third and youngest son of Kim Jong-il, North Korea's previous leader, and the grandson of Kim Jong-sung, the country's founder. Kim Jong-un was educated in Switzerland under a false identity where he developed an interest in basketball and Western culture. After returning to North Korea, he was carefully prepared for leadership following Kim Jong's death in December 2011. Kim Jong-un quickly assumed power despite his young age and relative inexperience. In his early years as leader, Kim solidified his control by purging senior officials, including his own uncle Jang Song. His role has been marked by a combination of strict authoritarian governance, an emphasis on military strength, and efforts to boost North Korea's nuclear weapons program. Under Kim, North Korea conducted several nuclear tests, escalating tensions with the United States and its allies. However, Kim also surprised the world by engaging in diplomacy in 2018. He met with South Korean President Moon Jae-in and US President Donald Trump, signaling a temporary thaw in relation. Despite high-profile summits, negotiations eventually stalled. At home, Kim has promoted a policy of limited economic reform but remains committed to maintaining tight control over the country. Today, Kim Jong-un continues to lead North Korea with a focus on military power, dynastic rule, and a vision of securing his family's legacy. Subscribe and like for more incredible histories of worldwide.